Yeah, now you can unmute your phone. Hi, now it's
Now I
perfect.
can hear you.
Yes, at last.
Uh,
Hi.
yes, now it's okay. At last.
Okay. So what happened
Sorry for
actually? I think,
I
yeah,
don't
it's
know
okay. It's okay.
why my computer is
Okay. So
maybe
can
I
we,
guess it's the uh-huh. You see first.
yeah, can we stop this one because another device is connected with the name Goldie?
Other device is computer.
Yeah, we can stop the computer. You can directly connect with your iPhone, right? This is your iPhone, right?
Yeah, this is my iPhone. But computer I already get out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, or you can also see okay. It's get out already.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so but I don't know how to use the phone to discuss with you about that. It also can.
Yeah, it's okay now. It's okay. Let's talk about your things now. Perfect. So I myself, Gaston Ravin Dias. Gaston is my name. So how about your name? Is it Goldie?
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah,
Nice
my
to
name
meet
is
you.
Goldie, and my nice to meet you, Gaston. And my Chinese name is Gou Wenxin.
Wengzin, right?
Yes, this is my Chinese name.
Okay, okay. So Wengzin is there. Wengzin's iPhone is it's there. The name is there.
Yeah. Yes. But
Oh,
my English name is Goldie.
oh, Goldie. It's a nice name there.
Yeah, thank you. So
Okay.
mhm.
Uh,
So first,
Wengzin, let me introduce our company and myself first. As I
mm-hmm,
told you, my name is Gaston and I am a biomedical engineer. Okay, so
mm-hmm,
I work for the company named Healthcare Engineering Private Limited. Okay,
mm-hmm. Okay.
we are based in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and our headquarters is in Sri Lanka, and we are providing services to not only in Sri Lanka, all other countries like India, Malaysia, Singapore, and the near all the countries we are providing the services. So what we do is we are medical device consultants. We talk about medical devices. We talk about the technical things about medical devices, and we try to help the medical devices to sell.
That means your company is a trading company.
Yes, it's kind of a trading, but we are not directly trading. We advise hospital staffs what is the best device to buy.
Or just a consulting.
Yes, consulting. So we just consult about the best products in the market. Especially, we already have a couple of Chinese manufacturing connections also. So that's how I got to
Mm-hmm.
know your profile and would love to see your products about your company and your connection as well. So have you ever been to Sri Lanka before?
Not yet, but this year I have a plan to Sri Lanka.
Oh, okay. Come to welcome to Sri Lanka. Okay.
Yeah. It's a also very nice country. I ever heard that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice country, nice people too. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so Wangxin, can you walk through your products, about your products? What do you have, and about
Uh
your medical device?
actually actually our company is name is ICA. ISIA.
I see a, okay.
Yeah, ICA Biotech.
I see a biotech.
Yeah, we are manufacturer located
Then
in Chongqing.
Chongqing, okay.
Yeah, and we have the branch office in Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, okay.
Yeah. And we mainly to do the products for the FIA, the fluorescent.
Okay, fluorescent, okay.
Yeah, and clear chemiluminescence.
Okay. Do you have any catalogs to show me or
Yes. I think to this morning I wanna share
uh-huh.
you, but they had some issue. Okay, I
Oh,
share
okay.
to your WhatsApp.
Okay.
For both POCT, the FIA and the clear.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I already sent to your WhatsApp.
Okay. So you already sent the details, right, to the WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, yes,
Let me check it. Let me check it. Give me a minute.
yes. Firstly, for the IFC 100 is for the FIA fluorescent.
Mm-hmm.
This
So
is
I can
can
open the brochure for you from my computer. Also, you can see that as well.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I use the phone, so I cannot share.
I can do that. I can do that. Wait. Give me a
Oh,
minute.
okay, okay. You can do that.
So you send me three brochures.
Yeah, three brochures.
Yeah, first brochure. I'll open the first brochure, IFC 100. Okay.
Okay. This is a kind of the FIA fluorescent, the POCT,
Okay. Let me
point of
share the
care
screen.
test. Yes.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
So this is your product. This is a portable quantum dot fluorescein. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
And then
are
this
you the
can
manufacturers? You are the manufacturers
yeah,
of this one.
we are manufacturers. Original
Uh,
manufacturer. We can do we can do OEM, SKD.
okay. Can you tell me about this device and why we do, how can we use this and about the duration, warranty period, and the business details, technical details? Is that possible?
Uh, yes. Actually, we have the advantages for the method is quantum dots. This is method for the fluorescent. It's not only for the normal fluorescent. It's kind of the new method to get the more accuracy result and more sensitivity for the result. So
Mm-hmm.
this is for the technology. Then for the test, you can check the menu. We have about 61 items we can detect in this model. And for both colloidal method and the fluorescent method, that means we can both use the rapid test kits and also for the FIA test kit.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And for the warranty, now we have 1 year warranty. And for the marketing for these models, we can put in the put at home. That means we can check by ourselves. And we can also use in doctors or the private clinics and some hospitals. If the customers like a Cobus, Roche
Oh,
Cobus.
okay.
They also have
Okay.
this kind of a small FIA.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Immunoanalyzer. So this is a immunoanalyzer, right? Okay.
mm.
Okay. And let me open the other one for you.
Yeah, the second one. The second one is also the whole POCT, including the semi-auto, the multiple channels, and the fully auto.
Okay. The second one is going to be this one, right?
You can open that.
Second one is here, right?
You didn't open the second one.
Yeah. I'll do that. Can you see the second one?
Oh, this is third one.
Oh, this is third one. So let me open this.
Uh,
Is this the second one? Both are same. Okay. Okay. Which this one? Is this the second one?
Yeah, second one. This is the quantum dots FIA for the semi-auto, multiple channels, and also the fully auto.
Mm-hmm.
The test items are the same, and the warranty also the same for 1 year. And it may divided into different levels hospitals because some clinics they may be like the single channel more, and some the big hospitals they like the multiple channels. It's 12 channels, and some the government hospitals or very big hospitals they may use the fully auto, the POCT. All of these tests are rapid tests.
Okay. Warranty is also 1 year, right?
Yeah, 1 year.
So, Wingzin, have you ever supplied this to Asian market? So, what are the countries? Have you ever been to supply this to India, Malaysia, Singapore?
Yeah, India we are like a corporate like OEM. We OEM for them. And we
Okay.
also have the Bangladesh and the uh, in South Asia also have the Pakistan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. And the
And in
third one
South
is this one, right?
third one is in, yeah, community license. This one is fully auto machine.